Let me ask you something. Have you ever sat down to work fully motivated, coffee ready, phone face down, and somehow 2 hours later you've answered 3 messages, watched half a video, reorganized your desk, and done 0 real work? Yeah, that was my life. I tried everything: to-do lists, Pomodoro timers, motivational videos, even waking up earlier. Nothing worked. Until I discovered one simple rule. And I'm not exaggerating when I say this. This 90-minute rule fixed my focus when nothing else worked. Here's the part nobody talks about. Most of us don't struggle because we're lazy. We struggle because we're fragmented. We work in 5-minute chunks, constant interruptions, constant context switching. You study a little, then check your phone, then reply to an email, then think about something else. Your brain never fully locks in, so you feel busy, but nothing meaningful gets done, and that's exhausting. I remember thinking, why can't I focus like I used to? Turns out, the problem wasn't my discipline, it was how I was structuring my time. One night, while procrastinating, ironically, I came across something interesting. High performers, elite athletes, top creatives, they don't work all day. They work in deep, uninterrupted blocks, roughly 90 minutes. Not 20, not 30, not as long as possible, 90 minutes. That's it. At first, I thought, that sounds way too simple. But then I tried it, and everything changed. Here's the rule. You work on one task for 90 minutes. No interruptions, no phone, no tabs hopping, no multitasking, just one clear goal. Then, this part matters, you stop. You take a real break, not scrolling, not emails, a reset. Walk, stretch, water, breathe. Then, if needed, you do another 90-minute block. That's it. Simple, but powerful. Here's why this works when everything else fails. Your brain naturally works in cycles. They're called ultradian rhythms. Roughly every 90 minutes, your focus peaks and then drops. Most people ignore this. They push through fatigue. They force productivity, which leads to burnout and sloppy work. The 90-minute rule works with your brain, not against it. That's why it feels different. The first week I tried this, something weird happened. I started finishing things. Assignments that used to take all day, done in one block. Work I'd been avoiding for weeks, finished before lunch. But more importantly, I stopped feeling guilty. I stopped telling myself I wasn't disciplined enough, because now I had proof. I could focus. I just needed the right container. If you're a student, one 90-minute block for studying beats 6 hours of distracted revision. If you're working, one focused block beats an entire day of half work. If you're burnt out, this gives you permission to stop without feeling lazy. I've seen people raise grades, launch side projects, finally read books again, build businesses, get their confidence back, all by respecting this one rule. Let's make this practical. Step 1, pick one priority. Not 5, not a list. One thing that actually moves your life forward. Step 2, set a 90-minute timer. Not for urgency, for safety. You're telling your brain you only have to focus for this long. Step 3, remove friction. Phone in another room, notifications off, one tab open. Make distraction inconvenient. Step 4, go all in. Even when it feels boring, even when it feels hard, that discomfort, that's focus forming. Step 5, stop when the time ends. This builds trust with yourself. You'll come back stronger next time. Now, important warning, most people mess this up. They turn the 90-minute rule into another hustle tool. They stack blocks all day, no real breaks, no recovery. That defeats the purpose. This rule works because of contrast. Deep focus, then real rest. Miss that, and it stops working. Here's the unexpected part. This rule didn't just fix my focus, it fixed my relationship with myself. I stopped seeing myself as inconsistent or broken. I started trusting my effort again. And when you trust yourself, motivation comes back naturally. So here's the takeaway. You don't need more motivation. You don't need a new app. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. You need one protected 90-minute window. That's it. So tonight, or tomorrow, pick one task, set the timer, and give it everything. Just once, and see what happens. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's struggling to focus. Let's stop being busy and start being effective. Let's level up together.